Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by isolating the problem, so start with firmware and driver checks. This rules out software causes. Next, plug the headset into a different device and try both 3.5mm and USB adapter. This tells you if the port or cable is faulty. While testing, inspect the mic boom, connector, and mute switch for visible damage. If you find debris, gently clean with compressed air. Once done, note whether the mic registers at all in the sound control panel. Now dig deeper into settings. Open Windows Sound Settings, set your HyperX as the default communication and recording device, then verify input levels and disable exclusive control. This prevents apps from muting it. Record a short sample with Voice Recorder or OBS to capture real mic behavior and background noise. If levels remain low, swap cables or try a powered USB hub. Weaker ports can't provide stable power. Make sure microphone boost is reasonable, not maxed. This avoids distortion while increasing sensitivity. Finish by reinstalling drivers and, if available, flashing the headset firmware with HyperX Ingenuity. This clears config errors. Then test the mic on a known good device to confirm whether failure is consistent across systems. Consistent failure indicates hardware. If everything else checks out, document what you tried, create a short sample recording showing the issue, and contact HyperX support with logs. One key tip: if audio drops intermittently, suspect a loose solder or cable. Wiggle test gently to localize the fault before shipping for repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.